If you're looking for a very budget-friendly close trimmer that can give you really close and cool, stylish design haircuts, then this is something you may want to consider. It does come in different plates. It provides you with 2 hours of battery time and can be recharged by USB-C. In this video, I'm going to give myself a beard cut, a little haircut, and I'm also going to try other areas to see how safe this is for your skin. So stay tuned for the whole video. You want to cut your own hair? Get one of these. This is a trimmer, so you're gonna get 2 hours of charge time. Waterproof button, tells you how much power is left. If there's any issue with the blades, it's also gonna show you. And then you get 2 mil is the smallest, 3 and 4. You get a little comb to brush off the excess, and a USB-C charging port. Comes in different colors. Very hefty to grab. You can always tighten this. What I like about this is that the spread is actually quite wide. So you can do this for your hair. You can get very fine details, which I'll show you. And you're gonna cut a lot of volume. This is like a splash guard. It's a piece of plastic, it comes off. So if you get too much hair in there, you can just kind of pry that off. And there's a little bit of motion in here as well because of this. But yeah, let's try this out. We're gonna see how well it works on the beard first. So let's turn this on. Definitely does not cut most of it, but it does work. So let's just start with my head. Oh yeah. Alright, so here's what it did. So now I see. Okay, so I managed to do a pretty decent blend. Now let's see how the lines perform. So I usually have a line basically right over here. It works. I mean, it's not bad, but I wish there was an extra 1 mil with this. Alright, so here's after I styled it and I took a quick shower. It came out pretty good. So I'm gonna just do one more line from here, pretty much to the back. See if I can get this going. I'm doing the line after it's dry. There you go. So, no, recommended. Alright, so a lot of people will be asking, is this good and safe for your skin? So let's test it out. Obviously, I don't know how to do this, but let's give it a go. Where else am I going to go? So, very easy, really easy. See that? I'm definitely not going to shave anything because it's going to itch when it grows, but it's obviously good for your other areas as well. And for blending, they only gave you 3. They gave you a 2, 3, and a 4. So I probably want to see more, but for the price, I couldn't be happier. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.